guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I have a review for you guys. I have a review from KOOPOWER, and they sent me this package some weeks back, and I haven't really have time to shoot the video, but today I'm like, no, I have energy or just thinking of what to do, and I'm like, oh, KOOPOWER, today is your day for me to shoot your video. So surprisingly, what they sent to me, when I got it, I was like, Jesus Christ, where am I going to start from? Where am I going to start opening boxes from? So right now I have these boxes here. I'm not going to be showing everything. I'm just going to pick one or two things and show you guys, and please support KOOPOWER by buying things from them. As I was saying before my son started, disturbing my life here. So KOOPOWER have a lot of household appliances that you will need for your house. So I will beg you to buy from them. And also, guys, they gave me all these because they also want me to do a giveaway to my viewers, my subscribers. So if you want to get a giveaway package, then you have to view this video, comment, because I'm going to be picking 10 people from the comment section, and then for the giveaway. So let me not just talk too much. These are the things. Here I have the, oh Jesus, I have to get up. I didn't know that was heavy. So here I have the vacuum cleaner for house. As you can see, turn it the other way. Here's the vacuum cleaner for cleaning house. So I'm going to start unboxing with this one. Where's my scissors? Machine, the vacuum cleaner for cleaning inside the house. So I'm just going to open these things. I'll remove the plastic and then I will show you guys, because I don't want the video to be too long. Let me open the plastic. I'll remove the plastic and then I will come back to us. I don't want the video to be too long. Like I was telling you, I said I just wanted to remove the plastic, and then I will show you guys what I have in the cartons. So I'm done opening the plastics, and here are the things that I have. So here I have gas stockings. So, and they sent me everything like double, like times 5 or so. Like this yoga stockings, I think I have more than 5 of it. And this electric Fisher cleansing brush. So here I have I think it's Christmas lights, or it's decor. It's decorative LED desk tree for house. So they have different colors, and I think they sent 5 or more than 5 of these ones to me. And this is also another kind of Christmas light or so. Yeah, this is Christmas light, and this is also a light. And here it's something you plug your phone, or you plug something. So they also sent this one. I don't know how many I have, because this carton is full of a lot of items, so I don't know how to put it. But guys, as you can see, I have so many, and that is why I said I'm doing a giveaway. They gave me some for my viewers, and I don't think I'll be able to show you guys everything that I have here, because really the things I have here they are just too much. So this is also another kind of light. As you can see, I can't use everything that I have. I can't use all. Also, they sent me iPhone chargers, cables. So here are iPhone cables, and they sent me a lot of iPhone cables that you can see. I've showed you 2. I have more inside this carton. So guys, so please support KOOPOWER. I don't know what is in here. I don't know what is it. Another light too. This is another light, and here is the vacuum cleaner. So here's the vacuum cleaner for the house. Please, you guys should support KOOPOWER by going to their website to buy their stores. They have a lot of household appliances that you can buy from them. I'm going to be putting their link in the description box. I'm going to be dropping their link in the description box, and we are going to be also adding a discount code that you can use to buy from their website. Adding the discount code in the description box also. So when you click as that link I'm going to be dropping, you use the code to buy whatever you're going to be buying from them. And also, I'm going to be picking randomly from the comment section, yeah, for the giveaway. So if you know you want something, yoga stockings, iPhone charger or cable, just drop your comment, and I'm going to come to the comment section, and I'm going to see the people that commented, and I'm going to pick from there. So guys, I'll call it a day, and bye.